Hi there, let's read A Cool Drink of Water. Somewhere right now, someone is drinking water. Scooped from the river, drawn from a well, caught as it drips from the roof. From fountains, from pumps, straight from the tap, a cool drink of water. Stored in the shade in cool clay pots, chilled in a pitcher of ice. In buckets, brass pots, plastic jugs, caravan cans, a cool drink of water. Squeezed from a bottle, a burlap bag, sipped from a thin tin cup. Shared in a family, shared with a friend, a cool drink of water. Everyone, everywhere, a nice cool drink of water. Now, this is a book by the National Geographic, and so they talk here about where these pictures were taken. A cool drink around the world. And then it shows each of these pictures and tells where they were. Tidore Island, Indonesia, Rocky Mountains, Canada, Aran Islands, Galway, Ireland, Rome, Italy, Zambezi River, Zambia, Agra, India, Pokhara, Nepal, Frisali, Thailand, Kenya, Botswana, Gujarat State, India, Simpson Desert, Australia, Prachar, Cambodia, Monaco, Skookum Gulch, Oregon, Utah, Des Moines, Iowa, USA, Bala, Oman, Tacoma Park, Maryland, USA, Simpson Desert, Australia, Thar Desert, India, near Cuzco, Peru, St. Petersburg, Florida, USA, somewhere in Kuwait or Iraq, Arizona-Utah border, USA, and Lugo Lake, Huainan Province, China. And there's one last picture for you of some boys, kids, playing in the water. So, this was called A Cool Drink of Water. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a fine book about water around the world. Hope you enjoyed it and that you come back. See you next time.